Hi everyone, I'm Bindu Jayadev. Welcome you all to my channel Math Studio. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out any important lectures. In this video, we will cover the topic rank correlation from correlation analysis, which is a part of the syllabus for different courses at university level. That's for graduate as well as undergraduate students. We have discussed the basic concept of correlation in the last video. I will give the link in the description box below. Here we are discussing one of the method to find the two given variables are related or not, that is Spearman correlation coefficient, and we are discussing here that is for non-repeated ranks. I will explain you what you mean by this. Spearman rank correlation coefficient is a method to find the correlation coefficient for qualitative properties like intelligence, hard work, honesty, sincerity, beauty, etc. Was developed by a psychologist, is called Charles Edward Spearman. That's why it is called as Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. The rank correlation coefficient is denoted by capital R, and R the formula, that is 1 minus sigma, here R equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. What is D? D is the difference between two rank, and N is a number of pair of observation. Now here the values, that means you will get the answer, or you are going to get after calculating R, always comes in between minus 1 and plus 1. That means here the values are comes in between minus 1 plus 1. That means it can come 0.9, 0.8, minus also minus 0.9 and minus 0.8. According to these values, we are going to interpret the data. Now I'll explain to you while doing the sum through an example. I will make you explain what you mean by R equal to minus 1 and what you mean by R equal to plus 1. We have already discussed in the first lecture what is the meaning of correlation coefficient is minus 1, positive correlation coefficient, negative correlation coefficient. Therefore, students, you are suggested to watch the lecture 1 video for this basic concept of correlation analysis. I'll give that link in the description box below. Let us learn this method with the help of examples. We'll consider first example. The rank according to judges in a beauty contest are given below. Calculate the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Sometimes they will ask you to calculate the rank correlation coefficient. Then also it is we are going to do it by Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Now here the judges 1, that means judge 1, judge 2, they are given the ranking for the students. Suppose these are the students A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 students are participating in this beauty contest, and these judges are given the ranking according to their judgment. That means for the A, that is given first, judge has given first rank, B second rank. For the judge 2, for A is given fourth rank. Like this way the judges are given the rank. Now we need to find what is a Spearman rank correlation coefficient, that is capital R. Now here first we'll discuss the formula. What is the formula we discussed? R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square whole divided by n into n square minus 1. Now see here, n square, n, the total number of students here. That means the set of values is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means here n is equal to 6. Now what is D? D is the difference between rank 1 and rank 2. Now here I have constructed a table. In that table there are 4 columns. First column rank 1, that is given by judge 1, that I have written, that is R1, and judge 2 is given the rank, that is starting from 4 to ending 5. It is marked as rank 2, that is R2. Next 2 column, that is extra, D and D square. First we need to calculate D, then calculate D square. D means rank 1, difference between these two ranks, that is R1 minus R2. What is R1 here? Corresponding here 1 minus 4. First one, 1 minus 4. What is your D? That is equal to minus 3. Here plus value, minus value, and it is subtracting minus because the sign is minus because that 4 is the biggest number. So here the value is minus 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 5 minus 6, that is minus 1. 5 minus 6, the answer minus 1. 6 minus 5, that is 1. Therefore, we have calculated the third column, that is D. R1 minus R2 minus 3, 1, 1, 1, minus 1 and 1. Now what is the next? We are going to calculate D square. D square means here first value. See here minus 3 the whole square, because D equal to minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square. What's the meaning? Minus 3 into minus 3. The answer is equal to 3 plus 3. That means if you are going to find the square in this column, all values are going to be positive. Minus 3 square, that is here 9. The answer is, sorry, not 3, that is 9. 3 into 3, 9 plus 9. 1 square 1, 1 square 1. Here 1 square 1 minus 1 the whole square. That is minus 1 into minus 1. The answer equal to 1 again. Last answer, that is also equal to 1. Now what you are going to do after completing D square, you are going to calculate what is sigma D square. This column, what is your addition? That means 9 plus 1, 10, and here 4, that is 14. Therefore, this is your table. In that table, 4 columns. First, we are writing rank, because in the question it is given in rank. Judge 1 ranking it is given. Therefore, we have taken that value as R1. And second, judges are given the judgment, that is R2, rank 2. Then next 2 extra column, that is D. D equal to R1 minus R2 and D square. And that means you are finding the square of D. In that particular column, it is going to be all values are going to be positive. Then end of the time, you are going to calculate sigma D square, that is 1, the sigma D square equal to 14. Now here, we are going to write the formula. The first step 1, table we have completed. Step 2, Spearman rank correlation R equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n into n square minus 1. We are going to substitute the value 1 minus 6 is there in that formula itself into sigma D square. What's the value? 14 whole divided by n. Number of set of observation, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6 square minus 1. Now what we are going to do? First, we are going to complete the calculation this part. Then we are going to subtract from 1. Now do that calculation, that is 1. I'm writing same as it is, 1 minus here. Now we are going to multiply numerator, that is 6 into 14, that is 84 divided by 6 into 6 square, that is 36 minus 1, that is 35. Still we have to complete it, that calculation 84 divided by 6 multiplied with 35, right? That is you are multiplying the denominator 6 into 35, that is 210. Now we are going to calculate this division. 84 divided by 210, that is 1 minus 84 divided by 210, that is 0.4. Last 1 minus 0.4, that is equal to 0.6. Here the value of R, the correlation coefficient, that is equal to 0.6. See here, this is a positive value. That means it is a positive correlation. Okay. If it is R equal to 1, that value after calculating, if you are getting R equal to 1, that means it is a perfect correlation, perfect positive correlation. Suppose the values of R, which is coming negative, minus value, then it is a negative correlation. See, when it is going to come R equal to 1, I'm just telling you, suppose if you are just imagine, your judges the values, first judge has given the ranking 1 to 6, right? The same way, if the judge has given here also the values, then automatically that means 5 and 6. Both the judgments are the same. There is no difference between their judgment. First person, that is A got it first rank by judge 1 and also by judge 2. Therefore, now if this is a calculation, in this case, when you are going to calculate R, automatically here D square value is going to be 0. Because there is difference 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, like that way. That means end of the time when you are going to calculate R, this 1 minus here 0 will come, therefore it is 1. That means it is a perfect positive correlation. This is a way we are going to judge the correlation between two variables. Okay. Therefore, in this case, it is the rank is given directly. Therefore, we can just consider that this is a type 1 question. Whenever the rank is given directly, you are going to construct the 4-column table. In that table, last 2 column D and D square, D equal to R1 minus R2. Then D square, we are finding the square of D. Then calculating what is sigma D square. Substitute in the formula, that is your correlation coefficient, capital R, that is Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Therefore, this is type 1 question. Why I'm telling you? Because rank is given directly. Now see, there are some cases, they're not going to give you the rank. You have to assign the rank and to complete it. That means sometimes the marks of the students for a particular class, therefore 6 students are there, their marks is given. But according to the mark, we can assign the rank. Who is getting highest mark, that student is getting first rank. Like that way, convert to rank, then do it. Then again, it is Spearman rank correlation coefficient. But I'm telling you, that's a type 2 question. Okay. First type, rank is given directly. Now, second part, that is, see here. Question, consider this question. Find the Spearman coefficient of correlation of the following. What is given? It is not given in rank. It is given in grade. Now just imagine, this is for the grade assigned by for a particular test, for a particular students, that is A plus B, C plus B plus C and A. That means here you need to make a grade table. That is, first comes A plus, then it is A, then B plus B, C plus C. Therefore, once you are assigning the rank, means A plus get 1 first rank, A second, B plus is 3, B that is 4, C plus that is 5 and C that is 6. Therefore, this is a grade table which we assign the grade and rank. Now see here. Therefore, this concept first you need to know it, then only we can make it the grade. Here A plus, first rank A, second, like this way. Now here, what we are going to do? Instead of making 4 column, automatically it is going to be 6 column table. Okay. First 2 column, the grade, it is given directly. We have marked this grade. Next, we are going to write the rank R1, R2, then D and D square. Okay. Now see here, what is this rank 1? That means rank 1 is connected to grade 1. Rank 2 is connected to grade 2. You are going to change the grade into rank. That means here A plus we are given first rank, right? Therefore, we are writing, assigning the value, that is first. B, in the grade table, what is B? B equal to 4. Next, C plus. C plus, the value is 5. Therefore, I'm writing here 5. B plus, that is 3. C, that is 6. A, that is 2. That means we have converted the grades, that is from A plus to C, we have converted into rank, that is first to 6. Now we are going to consider grade 2. Here in the second, that one, it is given A, B plus, C plus, A plus, C and B. According to this table, we are going to convert to rank, that is A, the value, second rank, B plus, third rank, C plus, fifth rank, A plus, first, C, that is 6, B, that is 4. That means we have completed here the third and fourth column. Now it is same D, that means R1 minus R2. See here, D, R1 minus R2. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 6 minus 6, that is 0. And 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. See here, what we have done? The grade first we changed to rank format, that is rank 1 and rank 2. Then D, that is D means R1 minus R2 we have calculated. Now we are next column, we are going to complete it, that is D square. Find the square, that is minus 1, like last question. Minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1. The answer is equal to 1. Therefore here 1, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 2 square, that is 4, 2 square, 2 into 2. 0 square, 0 into 0, that is 0, minus 2 square, again that is 4. Therefore, in this column, be careful. Even D, you will get negative values, but in D square is always positive because square of a negative number is a positive number. Therefore, 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is your sigma D square, the value is equal to 10. 8 plus 2, that is 10. Therefore, we have completed the table here. Now we are going to use the formula. Therefore, first part we completed. The second step we are completing, that is formula. First step, table we have already completed. Now Spearman rank correlation coefficient, capital R. What's the formula? 1 minus 6 into sigma D square divided by n into n square minus 1. What is n here? n equal to, the set of values is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 rank maximum. Therefore, n is equal to 6 again. Therefore, we are going to substitute in this formula 1 minus 6 into sigma d square, that is 10 divided by n. n is equal to 6 into 6 square minus 1. That is 1 minus numerator is 60 divided by 6 into again 35. 36 minus 1, that is 35. Therefore, here 1 minus 60 divided by 210. Last one minus 0.2857, that is equal to 0.7143. Therefore, this is your answer for the correlation coefficient, Spearman correlation coefficient, capital R equal to 0.7143. Always your R lies in between plus minus 1 and plus 1. In between these values are you are going to get it. That means it is in negative, perfect negative correlation or positive correlation. Otherwise, it is nearby these values. That means 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, minus 0.7, minus 0.8. It never comes more than 2 or never comes below minus 1. Therefore, these are the values for the Spearman rank correlation coefficient, that is capital R, and it is denoted by capital R. Okay. Now, one more question we will consider, that is example number 3. Now, read the question. Here, I showed you two type of question. First type, rank is given directly. Second type, rank is not given, grade is given. Now, we converted into grade and we proceed to the same form. Now, next type of question, not grade, it is given as marks. Then what we are going to do? The same way like your type 2, what we did in question number 2, instead of grade, it is marks. Now, according to the marks, you assign the rank, then continue it. Okay. See here, calculate rank correlation coefficient for the following data representing marks in two tests for a group of 7 students. How many students? 7. That means n equal to 7. Now, marks in test 1, 56, 37, 65, 60, 54, 51, 70. And here 50, 42, 55, 45, 51, 53, 47. These are the marks given. Now here what we are going to calculate, that is Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Same way we are going to consider the 6 column table. First 2 column we have written, that is marks. Now we need to assign according to the marks rank 1 and for here rank 2. Then we'll continue the same. Now for first marks, set of marks 56 to 70. Now here just see 56, 37, 65, 60, 54, 51, 70, which are highest mark. Just suppose that this test is conducted out of 100. Okay. Who got the highest mark? That is 70, right? Therefore, according to 70, this is the first rank. Okay. Now, who got second rank? That means below 70. That is here 65, right? Therefore, be carefully to check it the value second. Once, if you are going to make the mistake for assigning the rank, the entire answer is going to be wrong. Therefore, 70 got first rank, 65 second, then next below that is 60 third. Now fourth rank, that is 56, right? 56 is fourth. That is 60. Next is coming below, that is 56. Next 54. 54 after fourth rank, it is fifth rank. Then here, that is 51. That is sixth rank. Last, who got that one? That is seventh one. That is 37. That means here, the marks of test 1 we converted into rank and it is denoted by R1. Next, what you are going to do? We are going to change the marks 2 to rank 2. Same way, here just check it. Who got highest mark? That mark is here 50 to 47. The first, that is here 55, right? 55 marks, that is first rank. Below 55, that is coming here 53, right? That is second rank. 53 below, that is 51, that is third rank. Then 50, fourth rank. Next, here fifth rank, that is, it is coming 48, right? Fifth rank. Next, fifth, sixth rank is 48, then 47, sixth rank. Last, this is seventh. That means here mark 1, that is test 1 marks we converted in rank format, and also mark 2, that means test 2 marks, we converted into rank 2 format. It is represented by R2. Now what you are going to do? You are going to continue the same. You are going to find what is D. R1 minus R2. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6 minus 5. Okay, here we have completed the values, that is 0, 0, 1, minus 2, 2, 4 and minus 5. Therefore, what will come here? You are going to find the square, that is 0, that is again 0, 0, 1 square, 1, minus 2 square, 4, 2 square, again 4, 4 square, that is 16, and 5 square, minus 5, the whole square. What's the value? Minus 5 into minus 5. 5 into 5, that is 25, and this is positive. Therefore, here 25. That means D square column is always going to be positive because it is square. Square of any negative number as well as positive number is a positive value. Therefore, you are completed. Therefore, last what you are going to do? You are going to find sigma D square. Last column, add the values here. Therefore, here 25 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. Therefore, here that is going to be 50. So you have completed the values here, that is 50 sigma D square. Now we are going to use, therefore table, it is finished. Okay, even type 1 and type 2, the difference, what is the difference? In this case, I'm just making it is type 1 and type 2 because you just want to identify the question. Therefore, first question rank is given directly, R1 and R2. Then continue with 4 column table. Here it is 6 column table because the grade or marks you want to convert it into R1 and R2. Then continue. Okay. Therefore, now we are substituting the values. 1 minus 6 into 50 divided by n. What is n here? Because you have to write it here because there I showed you 7 students, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means n equal to 7. You can write n equal to 7. Okay. N means 7 into 7 square minus 1. So first we will complete this calculation this side, then only we'll subtract from 1. Therefore, don't do it the calculator because see, once if you are going to do it with a simple calculator, you cannot do it in in one step. You have to do by step. Okay. That is 1 minus 1 is going to be here only. We are going to calculate later. 6 into 50, that is we are going to multiply. That is equal to 300 divided by 7 into, here 7 in bracket, 7 square, 49 minus 1, that is 48. Now denominator multiplication completed, then division, divided by 7 into 48, 3, 36. That means 1 minus, now this division you are going to do first. Then only you are going to subtract from 1. Therefore, here answer 1 minus 0.8928. Therefore, 1 minus that one, that is 0.1072. That is your answer. Therefore, here I showed you 3 questions. That is, one is directly from the rank, how did you calculate Spearman correlation? Other one for grade, how do you convert it? Therefore, in the grade, you want to think about it, this grade table. This is the way we are going to assign the values here according to A plus 1. This way, just make a table and then convert it and calculate D and D square. While calculating D square, even if it is minus values for D, it is going to be positive 1 for your D square. And this is the way you are going to calculate this Spearman rank correlation. Now see here, this formula is for non-repeated rank. That means here rank is not repeated. Suppose the question, in this question, just imagine the mark, there are 2 students got 70 and 70. That means one student got here first rank and 70, again one more student, means that one also means first rank. That means the ranks are repeating. Then how do you calculate? Therefore, I will discuss with you in this part. That means Spearman rank correlation coefficient. How do you calculate with repeated rank? That is with another video. Therefore, students, please keep on watching the videos and just learn how do you calculate this question and practice it. If you really enjoy the lecture, please like and share the video, and I'll see you for the next video now for the Spearman rank correlation coefficient for repeated ranks. Thank you.